Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different from what we normally do. However, it's still very important. So please watch this video until the end, because at the end of the day you will be glad that you did. So today, we are going to discuss about insurance. Why should you have one? What does it cover? And how can it benefit not only you, but also your family? At the end of the day, being properly insured gives you that peace of mind that you and your family are protected no matter what happens. The type of insurance that I want to start off with today is life insurance. For those of you who don't know, I am a licensed independent insurance agent in California, and today I will be briefly explaining the different types of insurance that we offer here at our agency. It is important to note that this video is not meant to push any specific insurance product, but rather to raise awareness about why insurance is so important. Auto insurance is required by law in most states, and it can help cover the cost of damage to your vehicle or to someone else's vehicle in the event of an accident. We also offer commercial insurance for businesses and other types of policies as well. It can also help cover the cost of injuries or death that occur as a result of an automobile accident. There are many different types of insurance policies that we offer here at the agency, including life insurance, health insurance, home insurance, auto insurance, and more. Life insurance is a way to financially protect your loved ones in the event that something happens to you. Health insurance can help cover the cost of medical expenses in the event that you or a member of your family becomes sick or injured. You can reach us by phone or email, or you can visit our website. Don't wait until it's too late. Get the insurance coverage you need today. We work with multiple insurance companies and have the experience and knowledge to help you find the right policy for your needs. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content like this. Have a great day. It can help cover the cost of repairs or replacement in the event of a fire, flood, theft, or other disaster. It can help pay for things like doctor's visits, hospital stays, surgeries, and prescription drugs. Having health insurance can help protect you and your family from the financial burden of medical expenses. Life insurance can help provide your family with the money they need to pay for things like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, and other necessities if they were to arise. It can also help cover things like your child's education, weddings, or other future events. The next insurance policy that I want to talk about is health insurance. Next, we have home insurance. Home insurance can help protect you and your family from the financial burden of damage to your home or belongings. And then there's auto insurance. In addition to these policies, we also offer other types of insurance, such as umbrella insurance, which provides additional liability coverage beyond what is provided by other policies. As you can see, there are many different types of insurance policies available, and it is important to have the right coverage in place to protect you and your family. At our agency, we take pride in helping our clients find the right insurance coverage at the right price. Whether you are looking for life insurance, health insurance, home insurance, auto insurance, or any other type of insurance, we can help. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today to learn more about the insurance policies we offer and get a free quote. Again, this video is not meant to push any specific insurance product, but rather to raise awareness about why insurance is so important. At the end of the day, being properly insured gives you that peace of mind that you and your family are protected no matter what happens. Thank you for watching this video.